Had to stop for a second, grab my camera. The result of tornadoes, high winds.
Oof.
Right?
It's not fun. I'm gonna chop that all up. That's not fun either.
And we're taking a right.
I think still power lines actually got
Take
down.
the next right onto Wisconsin 52 West, Wisconsin
Trees
55
down all over
North,
the
then
place.
turn left onto Wisconsin.
Wow. What was the name of this town? Lily, wasn't it?
Lily, yeah.
Look at all the trees down over here this way.
Take the next left onto Wisconsin 52 West.
Oh man, this one is closed too.
Yeah, just go.
Can't make the left going back that way. Look at the trees just snapped off right here. That's crazy. Over that way. Onward. Longer route. Wow. Look at all the trees down. Snapped. Look at that. Holy crap, man. Austin.
Oh.
That's just insane. And then forest, just like it never was touched. Dude. Whew. Both sides. Wow. Crazy. This is the road we tried to come in on that was closed. And now we're back onto our path, but no power, electricity is out, trucks everywhere. Trees down, power lines down right there.
Continue on County Road A for 15 miles.
Oh, power lines.
Jeez.
Man. Check out the power poles.